Afternoon, YouTubers. It's Brian Paragamian, senior trader and co-founder of ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, bringing the closing commentary from Monday, May 11th. Well, the Dow Jones closes down 155 points on the day. The Russell closes down 10 points on the day. The NASDAQ Composite down 8 points. Acted a little better now. Last week you saw late in the week, you had the Dow acting well and the NASDAQ, acting poorly. Now you kind of had the reversal here today. You had the Dow acting well and the NASDAQ acting better. So you're kind of getting a little sector rotation here. You had the energy stocks acting poorly today, and now you had some of the technology names acting better. The semiconductors, closed fractionally lower. You had Apple Computer closing higher. So you're getting a lot of, sector rotation in and out of groups and kind of sloshing the money around. I think you need to be on the lookout, continue to look out for more corrective price activity. Selling may go away. Well, who knows exactly when it's going to happen, but I think it's going to come to fruition again. I think this market's had one heck of a run for the NASDAQ up 40% heading into this week. The S&P Dow up around 35 to 37% heading into this week. I don't think the market where it's trading should be trading at these levels based on the fundamentals of the economy. Now, a lot of this move has been technical based, as well as a lot of it being by short covering and the shorts being forced in there to cover. So I think you have to be cautious in here. The one position we are in still as a swing trade is CRBC, Citizens Republic Bancorp. It's trading at $1.88. It closed here today, and I like the tape action late in the day, especially. It firmed up very, very well here late in the day, and I'm just taking a look at the chart here on the Dow. Firmed up real well late in the day, while the rest of the market, the Dow included, got smoked late in the day. So I think you have to be looking for some squeeze activity to take place here in CRBC, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. It's one of the few bank stocks that have not been squeezed yet to the upside. It's nothing other than a squeeze play. We're running our stop down at $1.48. I like the setup. You start seeing the stock trade above $2. I think you're going to start getting a lot more interest picking up in the stock. And through $2.25, I think the stock absolutely flies up towards the 3 level. Again, we're in this position because we banked a 70 cents on our NCOC trade going back a week and a half. So this here being a speculative play, we're kind of risking only a portion of what we made in the NCOC trade. Again, this all has to do with money management, knowing how to approach some of these spec plays by going into another spec play and risking part of what you made on a prior one. So again, a lot of money management's involved here, and knowing how to try and leverage your gains, knowing how to use stops properly. That's what we do here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. If you're looking for that, you're looking to learn tactical analysis, and you're looking to beat Wall Street at its own game, we're the absolute place for you. 3-day free trial. After that, it's $10.99 per month, $14.99 per month here in another week. I don't think you're going to find a better service than what we have to offer and what we do here on our daily live webcast. Talk about the economy, talk about technical analysis, field whatever questions you might have. Absolutely great. One idea I will give you heading into tomorrow is I'm going to look to potentially be a buyer of some of the energy names such as Apache into some weakness, or the OIH into weakness tomorrow. If we get a gap down, I want to see how these stocks are acting relative to the overall market and relative to oil. But I think that's a group that I'm going to look to start looking at getting long for either swing trades or day trades tomorrow. Beyond that, I don't have anything else to add. Oil did close down 48 cents on the day. Gold closed down slightly less than $2. So I hope we're afforded that opportunity of lower prices on some of these energy names, because I really think I'm looking to get long those tomorrow. That's my one, my broad-based idea I want to share with you heading into tomorrow. Have yourselves a great evening. We'll be back again tomorrow after the close. And if you're, these once-a-day updates just aren't doing it for you, go to our site, sign up, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, or take advantage of our 3-day free trial. We'll be back tomorrow after the close. Enjoy the evening.